Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? We are studying exercises of chapter number 4, eating right. So, student, please take your rough copy and pen and note down the important points. Student, we have completed question number A. Tick the correct answer. Then question number B. Fill in the blanks. Differential diseases can be prevented by eating balanced diet. Let's do the recapitulation of the two questions, then we will start with question number C. Okay. Nutrients that provide energy are carbohydrates and fats. Night blindness is caused due to lack of vitamin A. Protein are also known as bodybuilding food. This we have done already in our previous video. That is the reason I am doing the quick recapitulation of the answers. Today I am not explaining, because in detail I explained in my previous video. So just I am doing the quick recapitulation of the answers. The mineral which help in making bones and teeth strong: calcium. Deficiency of iron causes anemia. Okay. Let's do the recapitulation of the fill in the blanks. Deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating what? Balanced diet. Deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating balanced diet. Eating too much fatty acid and oily foods leads to obesity. Second, lack of vitamin dash led to scurvy. C. Milk can be preserved by pasteurization. Answer number 4. Malnutrition usually occurs in the children at the age of 1 to 5. At the age of 1 to 5. Now let student, we have done quick recapitulation of A and B question. Now let's start with question number C. After doing the quick recapitulation of question number A and B, now start with question number C. Rearrange the jumbled words. So student, lack of vitamin A in diet causes that. Answer is given, but you have to rearrange the jumbled words. So name of that disease is given, but you have to rearrange the words to give the right answer. Is it clear? So first let's think about it. Which, if a person is suffering from which type of a disease, if there is lack of vitamin A in his diet. So let's see from here. See, a person, the disease is due to this disease is caused due to lack of vitamin A. And what was the name of the disease? What was the name of the disease? So student, This disease is caused due to lack of vitamin A, and the name of the disease is night blindness. Name of the disease is night blindness. It means a person suffering from night blindness finds it difficult to see in dim light. A person suffering from night blindness finds it difficult to see in dim light. Is it clear? So, student, lack of, I will see the portion which is underlined by a red color pen. It means I am explaining this question. The answer is night blindness. So, lack of vitamin A in diet causes night blindness. Is it clear to all of you? Now, let read the second question. Makes our bones and teeth strong. What makes our bones and teeth strong? So, student, what is the answer? Answer is, we are solving question number 2, and let recapitulate when I am teaching you the chapter. See, minerals like calcium makes bones and teeth strong. So what is the answer? Calcium. So question number 2, see the underlined portion with a red pen, makes our bones and teeth strong. So what is the answer? Calcium. 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 Note down the answer in your book. Make our bones and teeth strong. And the name of the mineral is calcium. Now, student, we are on question number 3. Okay. We are on question number 3. See. So, student, we are solving question number 3. This one, lack of vitamin dash leads to scurvy. So, this disease occur due to deficiency of which vitamin? Question number 3, that is C. Okay, now let solve. Read this question. Lack of iodine in our diet causes. See, answer is given, but you have to rearrange the words for finding the answer. So it is better that if you know the name of the disease, you can write it easily. So lack of iodine. Iodine is a mineral. Iodine is a, what is iodine? Iodine is a mineral. Now, so student, goiter. What is the disease? Goiter. 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 Lack of iodine in our diet causes goiter. So what happens in this student? The neck, swelling of the neck. A person who is suffering from goiter will have swelling in his or her neck, and the best way to prevent it is by taking iodine salt in our food. Is it clear? Now question number 4. Disease in which a person loses lot of water. Okay, so what was the name of a disease in which a person loses lot of water? Dehydration. What is the answer? Dehydration. So this is the answer for fourth question. Diseases in which a person loses lot of water is known as dehydration. Is it clear? Now next, fifth question. This one, lack of iron in the body. If the mineral iron, okay, then the person is, if lack of iron is what? Iron is a mineral. So lack of iron mineral in the body causes dash. So what was the name of the disease, student? The name of the disease is anemia. Name of the disease is anemia. Is it clear, student? Okay. Lack of iron in the body causes anemia. So what happen in this disease, student? It decrease the level of hemoglobin. Okay, what happen in this disease? It decreases the level of hemoglobin in our body. And where is hemoglobin present? Hemoglobin is a substance present in our blood, and its function is to carry oxygen. And student, what are the symptoms of anemia? Symptoms of anemia. An anemic person get tired easily, has dark circles under the eyes, looks pale, and also suffer from loss of appetite. These are the symptoms of the disease. I hope all of you are able to understand this. Now let discuss short answer questions. Short answer questions. Now the first question is, name the main nutrients of food. So student, let do little recapitulation of this, and then you will write the answer. I give you small explanation of this, and then you will write the answer. Name the main nutrients of food. See student, we all need energy. Okay, we need energy to perform different types of activity in our day to day life. So student, first of all understand how we are getting these nutrients. Our body cannot make this nutrient. We all are getting these nutrients by eating different kinds of or different types of food. Is it clear? And we all are eating different foods for getting these nutrients. So student, there are 5 main nutrients which are required by our body. There are 5 main nutrients required by our body. Carbohydrates, fats. What are these? These are energy giving food. Then see, protein. What is this? This is body building food. Is it clear? Protein is body building food. Then vitamins and minerals. These are called protective foods. These are called protective foods. So now student, your first question is, name the main nutrients of food. First question is, name the main nutrients of food. Now write the answer. Answer number 1, you can write in your rough copy, then note down in your classwork copy. Answer number 1, the main nutrients of the food are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Is it clear? I repeat the answer. The main nutrients of the food are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. This is your first answer. Now student, let's see question number 2. What is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? So student, let do little discussion on this topic. and then you note down the answer. Okay. See, balanced diet. So student, balanced diet is very important for us, and there are five main nutrients. Is it clear? There are five main nutrients, and even water and roughage is also needed by our body. So when we discuss about these nutrients, so student, carbohydrates and fats give us energy for doing work. Proteins help us to grow and repair our damaged cells. Third, vitamins and minerals protect our body from diseases, and water and roughage also helps to remove waste from our body. So student, this is your balanced diet. If the food which you are eating, from that food, if you are getting all the nutrients in a right proportion, that is known your balanced diet. That is known as your balanced diet. Now student, note down the answer. Answer number 2 question is, what is balanced diet? Question number 2, short answer questions. What is a balanced diet? Write the answer. A diet which has a diet which has right amount of nutrients, water and roughage in a meal according to age and lifestyle is called it a balanced diet. I repeat the answer. A diet which has right amount of nutrients, water and roughage in a meal according to age and lifestyle is called it a balanced diet. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's study the third question. Question number 3. Why question number 3. Why should not we consume extra fat? Okay. Why should not we consume extra fat? So student, note down the answer. We should not consume extra fat. What is the reason for that? We should not consume extra fat because extra fat leads to obesity. Is it clear? We should not consume extra fat because extra fat leads to obesity. So student, this word I have already explained you what is obesity. See, carbohydrate and fat both are energy giving food, but fat give more energy than carbohydrate. But student, if you start eating those food items which are rich source of fat, then it is not good for your health. Reason, we know that student, I explained you, fat, if you consuming more and more fat in your diet, what happens? Fat store inside our body under the skin. So what's happened? This extra fat may create problems because there are many other internal organs are also inside our body. So these extra fat may disturb the functions of other internal organs also. Okay student, now let discuss fourth question. What are deficiency diseases? Name them. So we have already discussed this also. What are deficiency diseases? Name them. Note down the answer student. Diseases caused by lack of essential nutrients in our food are called it deficiency diseases. Example, very scurvy, rickets, extra. Is it clear? One time more, I repeat the answer for you. Question number 4. What are deficiency diseases? Name them. Write the answer. Diseases caused by lack of essential nutrients in our food are called it deficiency diseases. Example, very scurvy, rickets, extra. So student, I group of nutrients I already explained you that are our carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. So There should be a balanced diet. Otherwise, you will suffer with these types of deficiency diseases. Is it clear? Thank you, student.